Hello everyone, we are back once again at Lincoln Park. This time to tour the zoo. No Christmas lights, nothing fancy, just nature and the animals. Now the weather today is a little iffy. It is actually starting to rain just a little bit now, but I have my raincoat, so we're gonna trek on. We have some zebras for our first animal spotting of the day. Here we have some African apes. Well, the European white stork doesn't seem to mind being out in the rain today. Now that's a pretty cool looking bird. Now here's some guys who don't care about weather. Spotted a turtle over here. Bubbling water. I don't know why, but I find this pretty cool. Of course, due to the weather, a lot of the animals appear to be indoors at the moment. But the rain actually stopped, so maybe they'll start coming out. But either way, there are several inside exhibits as well, but I've been waiting till 10 a.m. when they actually open. And it had just passed 10 a.m. now, so we should be able to go inside and see some things too. This is the African Journey. No animals yet, but I do like the atmosphere here. A few birds up there though that I did miss. appears to be a crocodile somewhere over here. That's probably his basking station. There we go. This red room is kind of neat, but they got these nasty little bugs. An exhibit just for spiders. No thanks, I'm good. There we got a sleeping aardvark. Lots of fish. Well, I can't find the polar bears, but there is snow in June. We've now entered the birdhouse. Now the birds are flying among us. Not sure how I feel about this. Found Simba chilling over there.
Stand up. You're cold.
Well, this is fun. And that was a wet but successful visit to Lincoln Park Zoo in Chicago, Illinois. Now, I've been through here a few times now, but it was nice to actually go through and see all the exhibits and stuff like that. Very impressed, and like everything else here, completely free. Of course, they have gift shops, food, memberships, and that stuff that you can buy, but otherwise to walk through is completely free. There is a parking fee. There's a few parking lots around here, but you can take the CTA and public transportation if you want to avoid those fees. I definitely highly recommend checking it out if you're in the area. Well, I need to go dry off now, but thank you for watching this video. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out Memories by Wayne on Facebook and Instagram as well. And don't forget that I have a playlist as well, all my previous Lincoln Park visits, so definitely check it out.